Incremental routines. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the pleasurable expansion. Now it's time to cover about favorite collections. In case you have two collections or more, you may want to use a feature called favorite collections. He doesn't cover that. Fowl doesn't cover that. So let me add my 2 cents. You can see here I have opened different collections. So I will try to use my favorites. Instead of every time, hey, now I want the English. Oh, it's this one. Oh, now I want my slides collection. This one. You can do Control O. So you can click here, you see? Pick a collection from the list of favorites. Boom. I already have some. Learning slides, jukebox, shared, survey, and learn English. And the directory doesn't have to be in the same place. As an example here, Supermemo, Supermemo 2, and even the D drive. And in this case, this is not found because that was a backup that I deleted. I can click here at the top, the first icon on the navigation bar, or I can press Ctrl O. And here we go. Then let's say that this is already a dummy, right? Because it's not found. I'm not going to have this collection anymore. I deleted the collection, but the favorite, the bookmark, is still there. I just click delete. As simple as that. That they want to add a new collection, click on add. And then I will add this one, the priorities. I can choose a letter. By default, you'll have the start, so that the first letter. In the case it's already used, you have the second, and so on. Yeah, let's use P. This will open the collection, but now, from now on, it's already there. Look at that, priorities. If you see, the order is not alphabetical. And in Supermemo 19, you can have more than 26. But, okay, good to know. But who on earth is going to use more than 26 collection? For real. I'm not saying backups, which could be the case if you want to use the built-in functionality. Unlikely. And that's important because if you want to use the keyboard, you just use the first letter. So now I have the jukebox selected. I want to go to priorities. I can just go up, and I have the priorities selected. Let's see that I want learn English. In this case, it's the E. Even if it starts with L, the L is already taken, the learning, it's E. So instead of navigating down every time, I just pressed E, and here you go. But this only selects the candidate. I still need to press Enter or OK in order to open it. Remember, Ctrl O for favorites. So you can, if you want, you can forget about it. And one last thing is that you choose the collections here you want to use. You don't have to put all of the collections you have if you don't want to. The more high yield collections. That's all for now. See you in the next video.